Alright guys, the latest. Actually, they just started selling it today, Friday, July 9th, is Happy Dad. It's a hard seltzer with electrolytes. 5% alcohol. I was gonna wait for Craig to get home and try it with me, but I figured you want a review right now. So let's get to the review. Alright everyone, Craig called me and told me that there's a new type of seltzer out that he wants me to go get. He didn't tell me that there's gonna be mass amounts of people to pick up beer. This is what happens, I guess, when you get beer. It's called Happy Dad, and it's a little crazy. Here we are at Lee's Liquor. Yeah, this is crazy. Wow, where is the line?
I think it's on the other side.
Here it comes again. Another burnout.
So I think this is the line. I don't know what the girl is saying. So anyway, this is the line. We're waiting for some new beer. Did he say they were sold out of beer?
No, it's like, so she said that apparently that you have to be 21 or else you can't go in.
Oh, okay.
Because it's a liquor store. But
Yeah.
it just makes no sense because even if we're not trying to buy beer, like you want to meet him.
Oh yeah.
And we're not 21.
This guy's trying to sell a can of beer for 20 bucks.
It'll be a happy day tonight.
Alright guys, we got the box. I already opened it. But here it is. Happy Dad. There are 4 different flavors. Lemon lime, wild cherry, watermelon, and pineapple. So Reagan is going to give me a can and I'm gonna try to figure out which one it is. I do want to show you the cans before I do it. These are all 100 calories for all those people who are calorie conscious. It looks like a beer can.
2 carbs.
Reagan says there's 2 carbs, so for all you carb counters as well. But anyway, it's called Happy Dad. Craig watches one of the YouTubers who I believe is part of this brand. A guy named Steve. That's why you saw in the video people chanting, "We want Steve." But anyway, we weren't able to see him. We did get to see Kyle. He's one of the guys behind it as well. He came out, threw a bunch of t-shirts out, and then we got back in line, we were waiting, and the line was not moving anywhere. So I called the liquor store right down the street from the house, and they had some, so we came over here, picked up a case, and now we're here. And I'm doing the review for you. I'm not usually a seltzer person. I also definitely do not like beer, but I am trying it all for you. We will go all 4 different flavors. Since Craig's not here, I gotta do the review for you. So here we go. All right, Reagan's gonna slide me the can. I'm not gonna look at the flavor, and I'm gonna see if I can figure it out. Again, we have lemon lime, watermelon, pineapple, and wild cherry. So if you've tasted this, please put in the comments which one you like the best. All right, ready? Here we go. Here's my first flavor. And no, I cannot see it on the screen right now. Wish me luck. I'm just kidding. It's not gonna be that bad. I like some seltzers.
Do you
Wild
like it?
cherry.
No.
Ooh, I was off.
Do you like it? Good.
It's not bad.
1 out of 10.
Well, I'm not a big seltzer person, so it doesn't have that like weird aftertaste. I will say that, because some seltzers like Truly I've had have that weird aftertaste. All right, let me take one more swig. Let's see what it is. He said no to wild cherry. What was my other options? Watermelon, lemon lime, or pineapple. Is not pineapple. Lemon lime. No, I'm bad.
Do you want to know?
Yeah, what one is it?
Watermelon.
Oh, watermelon. All right, so I missed out on watermelon. It's not bad though. It doesn't have that weird, funky aftertaste that some seltzers do. All right, here's next. Oh. It's so like satisfying opening beers. I don't know. 100 calories. Here we go. See if I can taste the difference. So we already did watermelon. Ooh, that one's pineapple.
Yes.
That is very pineapple-y. That's really good. We're gonna save that for later.
Okay, no, you gotta pick this one.
I gotta pick which one?
Yeah.
This one.
Okay. I know what that one is.
Here we go.
Because the last one you already gotta know.
There we go. So it's between what, lemon lime and wild cherry. I thought the first one was wild cherry. So watermelon kind of tastes like cherry to me. All right, here we go. This is cherry. Oh yeah. These are not bad at all.
Okay. Lemon lime.
Yeah, Craig may not get any of these. Maybe we'll save that for later too.
Lemon lime.
All right, here's the last one, lemon lime. I didn't really like the watermelon one, but I like the cherry and pineapple.
We gotta make them.
I gotta put them in order, Reagan says.
Yeah.
All right, lemon lime, it's gonna taste like Sprite, I think. It smells like Sprite. Smell it.
I can definitely smell the alcohol though.
You can smell the alcohol?
Can you? Like it smells like beer.
No, it smells like lemon or Sprite to me. I mean, I drink vodka Sprites all the time, so it might be good. That could be dangerous. It tastes just like Sprite. That's crazy.
Scary.
5% alcohol by volume. That's a 12-ounce can. It's like a regular, it's not the skinny can that most seltzers are in.
Who's for dads? Manly.
To be manly. So
That's why it's in the can.
Is that why it's in a
Yeah, that's why
beer?
it says it's not in the skinny can, because it's manly.
I did look up. What was it that I read? All right, this is from their website on Happy Dads. It says, we know there are thousands of other hard seltzer brands out there, but here's why Happy Dad is the GOAT of all hard seltzers. It's better tasting. It is better tasting. I will give them that. Has the perfect amount of carbonation and has effing electrolytes. Most important of all, it isn't in a bull poop skinny can. Like, come on, why is every hard seltzer in a skinny can? So that kind of made me laugh. But it is really good. If I had to rate them in order, what I like the Sprite one, or the lemon lime is probably my top favorite. This is probably the one I would be drinking. Next would be, oh, I don't remember if I like wild cherry or pineapple. Wild cherry be number 2. Pineapple is number 3. And watermelon is number 4. There you have it, guys. That's my review of the Happy Dad Seltzer. I hope you like this video. Hope you can find a case. I know they're super short on stocking them. They came out last month in California, and Craig has been looking everywhere while he's out there and hasn't found them. So I think that's why it was really important for me to get out there this morning and grab a case. So, because he really wants to taste it. But I think this is probably something that'd be good to take to the lake. Obviously, make sure you take water. It's a desert out there. You don't want to dehydrate. But this is scary good. I like it a lot. Peace out, Vegas. We love you.